We're here today at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram located in Piqua, Ohio. I've got a 2018 RAM ProMaster 3500. This is a cutaway 159-inch wheelbase, extended is what it is. And I put a Bay Bridge box on this truck. This is a front-wheel drive van with a 3.6 Pentastar engine. Got the wide power mirrors on it. The box on this is a 14-foot by 7-foot box. Does have a side access door. Does have a door going into your cab from your box area, cargo area. It's got a 3M process on it, so you're not going to see any rivets on the outside, so it'd make a very easy vehicle to do a graphics on it, wrap it, that sort of thing. It is got 14-inch ceiling liner. You got a 32 by 72-inch pocket door. We'll pull up the lift gate here. Wood siding, wood floor. This is done with 2x6 shiplap pine, complete body undercoating. Got protective mud flaps on it. Bottom body wrap. You got 1 1/2 inch aluminum I-beam sidewall studs with 16-inch centers. If you're going to shelve this, you're going to easily find a place to secure your shelving. Stepping inside, I'm 6'1". I got about 2 inches above me on the door open, probably about 6, 7, 8 inches there. Got LED lights up on the ceiling. Like I said, you've got a sliding door. Got a light heat switch here for your LED lights, and also one in the back. The nice thing too is I can open and close this door from the inside. If I was coming from my side door inside and wanted to get some stuff out of the back, I can open this door from the inside. Very well constructed. If you're looking for some type of a expediter, delivering cargo, that sort of thing, this is an excellent truck for that. Got an easy step-up ramp here. Handles help you get in. Sliding door, obviously. I've also got, this is, like I said, a 14-foot. I've got a 12-foot, and I've also got a 15-foot. So I've got a variation of these commercial vehicles here on the lot ready to go. As you look on the inside, I do have it equipped with the cloth interior seats. It does have Uconnect, rear backup camera, electronic stability control, power windows and locks. Once again, this is a RAM ProMaster cutaway with a Bay Bridge sheet and post 14 by 7 box on it. For more information on this vehicle, stock number 28271T, give Steve a call at 800-678-4188. We do have a wide variety of commercial vehicles. If you're looking for something in the truck, heavy duty trucks, I've got a nice selection. I have more 5500s with service bodies on their way here. So don't hesitate to give us a call. If you see something or don't see something and you're looking for something, we can certainly try to find it for you.